What's up, everybody? Today's video is about passive income. So we're going to go look at a couple of my mining rigs, and at the end of the video we're going to see how much money we're making off of them. Let's go. Alright guys, so check it out. This is the RX 580 here, and then right underneath it, if you can tell where it's at, that's the RX 5500 XT. Each one of those cards makes about $1.50 a day right now. For your crypto enthusiasts out there, I know this isn't the most beautiful setup, but it works. Alright, now we'll go and check out the other ones that we got on a different rig. Okay, here's another one. Again, not the nicest or cleanest setup, probably a severe fire hazard here, but in this one we got a RX 460 4 gig, and then we have another 580 8 gig there, and then we got a couple other cards laying around here. That's a R7 370. It's only a 3 gig card, so you can't really mine what's with it. And somewhere around here we got a 1650 Super that I caught on fire. Let's not talk about that too much. But each one of these cards, this 580 makes another $1.50 a day, and then this 460, it doesn't mine Ethereum like the rest of them. It mines Raven coin, and I believe it makes somewhere close to $1, between 50 cents and $1 a day. Alright guys, so here we are in NiceHash, which I like to use because it's easy to use. There's no transaction fees to send to an exchange, and I just don't have time to mess with Linux systems. I work full-time. So if you look here, you can see right now we're averaging about $5.07 a day. That changes anywhere from about $4.50 to $8 a day. And then you get paid every 4 hours. You get a payout every 4 hours, and you have to get at least 0.0005 Bitcoin in order to withdraw. So I get paid about every 4 days or so. And if you look down here, see one of our rigs, Child Labor Camp, is making this much Bitcoin. This sweatshop is making 4,896 Satoshis, which is, I don't know how much that is of a Bitcoin. And what's really going on here is they're mining Ethereum. So our hash rate gets sold to this exchange where they mine Ethereum, and then they pay us in Bitcoin, which works out because the gas fees for Ethereum are so high, and we don't make hardly any money off of this, that virtually all the money would be used up in transaction fees. Not to mention, with NiceHash, you can just literally put your card into your PCIe slot in your computer and then download the NiceHash miner real quick. Press the play button and it'll start mining, and then you can just hook it up to your Coinbase account, and then boom, you're making money. And all you had to do was press a couple buttons and set up an exchange account. If you want to see any videos on exactly how to go about that process, or see more videos on computers or investing and passive income, just go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I put new content out. And until then, I'll see you next time.